ating kapatid sa YT. Kapatid, kaibigan, si Ate Babes Fonseca. Happy birthday to you, sis. Wish you all the best. Good luck, good health, and God bless your family. And enjoy your day. Nagmamadali si nanay kasi papasok na siya. Dito na ako nag-video sa labas. Once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day today. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday. I'm very happy birthday. Happy birthday. Today is very good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Today is your birthday. I'm very happy birthday. Happy birthday today.
Hello everyone! Today is my Ninang birthday. Happy birthday to you, my pretty Ninang. In my Ninang in the white world. More many birthdays to come. Still always happy and good health. And more blessings to come every years into your life. Loves you, Ninang. My Ninang is always happy and beautiful. My Ninang is loving, caring, and she is a good heart. So I love you always, Ninang.
Hala, si Babes, birthday ka manan. Pero still yung ang face mo naman at super ganda pa rin. Yan. At saka thank you Sisi sa pag-invite sa akin na mag-greet sa'yo tulad nito. Yan. Ang aking teddy bear. Galing sa amin, happy birthday, Sisi! And then, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! At sana, more friends to come, Sisi Babes, at saka, palagi ka sanang healthy, happy, at saka, sana makakamit ka pa ng maraming kaibigan dito sa YouTube. I love you, Sisi! Happy birthday ulit! Yan. Happy birthday from us ni Teddy Bear. Bye!
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ayan. Para po kay Ma'am Babes Fonseca. Ayan, maraming salamat po at binigyan niyo akong pagkakataon na mabati kita sa iyong karawan. Happy birthday. At sana maraming pang birthday ang abutin mo. More power to you. Sana maging matagumpay ka sa lahat ng iyong mga iniisip sa buhay, yung mga iyong minimiti, sana makamtan mo na. Ayan, happy birthday. At sana maraming pang birthday ang abutin mo. Ayan. God bless. Maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Ayan.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Kuya Gigi Vlog, isang small content creator ng bumabati ng happy birthday kay Ate Magalong. Happy birthday, Ate!
Happy birthday, dear sweet Today's video is for Madam Babes Fonseca Magalong, ang isa sa mga pinakamabait nating kaibigan sa YouTube. Diba guys, malapit na kasi ang birthday ni Madam. So eto tayo, gagawa tayo ng isang video para sa kanya. Akalain mo may birthday pala si Madam. Ma'am, may birthday ka pala, nagbe-birthday ka rin pala, no? Hindi kasi halata eh, parang hindi nadadagdagan yung edad eh. Batang-bata pa rin eh, no? Kaya parang hindi ako makapaniwalang may birthday ko eh. Well anyway, happy birthday. Sana'y maging maligaya ka sa yung special na araw. Yun, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank you sa mga naging suporta mo sa aking channel. And rest assured, syempre our support is always for you. Diba? More power to your channel. Sana lumago pa ng lumago. And then tuloy lang ang laban. Yun. Medyo matagal na rin tayong naging magkaibigan sa YouTube na, siguro mag-isang taon na rin siguro, you know? So thank you so much, and stay healthy, stay fit. Happy birthday. Sanang handaan, sanang venue. Kung malapit lang eh, no? Sana eh, no? Susugurin namin yung handa mo. Again, happy birthday. All the best, my friend.
Hello guys! Ayan. Nandito si Milat Vlog para batiin natin ang isa sa ating kaibigan dito sa YT. Yan. Happy birthday, Sisikoy Babes Fonseca. Yan. Wish ko sa'yo more birthdays to come, more blessings to come. At sana matupad mo pa ano man ang iyong mga pangarap mo sa buhay, sa family mo at sa'yo syempre. Ayan, wish ko din na sana marami ka pang maging kaibigan dito sa YT, mag-grow ang iyong channel at syempre madagdagan at tumaas ang revenue. Ayan. Sisikoy, thank you kasi isa ka sa naging kaibigan ko din dito sa YT, at sana hindi lang tayo dito magtatapos sa YT ang pagiging magkaibigan natin. Ayan. Basta nandito lang ako, laging susupport sa'yo. Yan. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw ng birthday mo. Yan. Once again, Sisikoy, happy birthday. I love you. Bye.
Thank you, YouTube family. Your unwavering support means the world to me. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions keep me going. Truly, you are all amazing.